Hey guys, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have some project shares for Scrap Diva Designs. These are projects made using some of the dies from the February release. So I will have all of the dies listed down below in the description box, as well as my referral link. If you click on that and place an order, I get a commission. So thank you so much to everybody who uses that. I truly appreciate it. It doesn't affect the cost at all to you. It just gives me part of the earnings. So I also have a coupon code, which is strawberry cream. If you enter that at checkout at scrapdivadesigns.com, you will receive 10% off of your order. So let's get started. I've got some great projects to share with you. Make sure you follow the hashtag Scrap Diva Designs on Instagram and here on YouTube, and you'll see projects that other people make, including other design team members who always inspire me, so I'm sure they do to you too. So this first one, I had shown you a project I made when I showed all of the new dies for their release. This is the gift card gift box. So this comes with a ton of dies. Here's this set, and then it comes with this one, and then this as well. So it comes with dies for the top of the box, the bottom, the gift card insert, and then decorations. There's Open Me as a sentiment with the shadow, gift inside, also shadow. This has a little shaker you can make of a perfume bottle, and it also comes with a really pretty bow die. So this is the one that I had shown you in my previous video, which I think came out really, really pretty. And I made the gift card envelope like this. But after I had made this, and then I saw the polka dot pine cone, who is Monty. Hi Monty, if you're watching. She's also a design team member for Scrap Diva Designs. She had done the gift card insert, I think the way that it's intended. So yeah, I didn't know. I just kind of made it up myself to do it this way. I do like this. I think this is a great way to make the gift card envelope, but I also wanted to create one in the correct way. Correct. So this is the other one that I made, and look at how cute this is. This one I used a birthday collection from Recollections, which is this one, which I got, let's see, 2021, and it's called It's Your Day. So it's got pattern paper and solids in it, which I really like. So I made this kind of like a gender neutral gift card box because I have, boys and girls to gift to in my family. So I thought this would be a good way to have this on hand for a birthday and to present a gift card. So I used that collection. I did use some yellow AC cardstock, or no, this is probably basil paper to construct the box. I'd love to use that for 3D projects because it's solid core, so you don't see any white in the bends. And I added some stickers from my stash as well. I thought they went perfectly with this collection, just to decorate it a little bit. And the paper itself has these like strips of the word hooray. So I thought they went perfectly to use the dies from the die set to cut those out. So that's what that looks like. And if you missed the measurements on the other video, this one, I think it's a 4-inch square box, about 4¼ inch square. And then depth-wise, it is about ½ an inch, give or take. So when you open it up, the gift card kind of like pops up like that. So you just kind of attach the ends of the die cut that you create onto the top and the bottom of the box. And then you have your gift card that can just pop up just like that. So it's really cute the way that works. Yeah, I didn't figure that out on my own. So thank you to Monty for figuring that out. And then I added some, this was a cut apart from the collection, and then just other papers. All these papers are from that collection. And yeah, I think it looks so cute. You could even put more things in here. There's a nice big space there. Maybe make a card that fits perfectly in there, like a greeting card. And then you have just a self-contained little present and card. So I love this die cut, never too old for presents, which I heartily agree. So yeah, that's how that looks, and I think it came out really, really cute. And so there are lots of options for how you want to make this box, like the one I showed you, the one that I first made, just like a little envelope, or you don't even have to put a gift card in there. You could just leave it as a box and just leave the insert out altogether. So that's gift card gift box available on scrapdivadesigns.com. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, this next set is called the Conversation Hearts. And this is so cute. It comes with 6 different conversation hearts and then shadows for them as well. So a 12-piece die set. So this one says, love you, let it shine, best friends, too cute, there's another best friend, and stay sweet. So I made a bunch of little hearts and then kind of another project with them. So let me show you the hearts that I made. This one says stay sweet, and the way I made this like outline here, if you keep the pieces, like if you don't cut them apart, it cuts out the outline for you. But I wanted to cut mine apart so I would have this backing piece. So when I want to make the outline, I would just put these back on a plate for my die cutting machine, and then I just use my like mint tape and just to hold them together, and then run this through my die cutting machine, and it cuts out the outline, which is the red part on this one. And then I cut out gingham paper for the little shadow part, and then the words I cut out of white glitter paper, and I did add that little A insert. I put that back in there. I think that looks really nice. You don't have to add an outline to it, but I think it really finishes it off really nicely, and it makes it look kind of more like a cookie, I think. So let me measure this one for you, and I'll show you the others. They're all the same size. This one is about 2 5/8 across, and then up and down the tallest point, it's about the same for the height. So same top and bottom. So I think that came out really, really cute. There's Stay Sweet. Here's Love You. And I used some Arala, I think this is Arala Mija shop paper from Etsy, and some more pink glitter paper. I just wanted to make like some really soft colors, pretty colors for these. Here's another Love You I did. I did another Love You because when you run the dies through your die cutting machine to get the different layers, of course you have some left over from the other colors, so I didn't want to waste them, so I just made some more. This is a paper I print out from Etsy. And then I made Stay Sweet with some red shimmer paper and some glitter paper and kind of like a little peach outline. So let me put these down so you can see them. And then this one is Too Cute. I love how this one came out. It looks so shabby chic, right? So I made those, and then I made a few more and made like a big tag. So this is how it came out. Isn't that so pretty? So let me take you through this. Here are 2 of the conversation hearts, Too Cute and Love You, and these are using Arala Mija shop paper and other Etsy papers and glitter paper for the outlines. And I thought they'd look like little tea cakes, so that's why I wanted to do like a baking theme. So I used some other dies from my Scrap Diva Designs stash. I used this one, which is the Charcuterie board. A lot of you, I'm sure, have this die set. It's just so versatile. I love it. One of my all-time favorite die sets. This is currently available on scrapdivadesigns.com. I'll link it down below. So I used that. And then for the doily here, this is not available anymore. This is the heart circle nesting set, but I do use this a lot, and hopefully you have this. You could use, I used the, I think I used the medium size one for that. You know, so any kind of doily you have would work nicely, but I love how the size of that one works. And then for the utensils, I used this die set, which is Kitchen Utensils 2. This is available on the website right now. There's a Kitchen Utensils 1 and 2. 2 has the little hearts in the handles and in the spoons, which I really like, so I tend to use this one a lot. So I cut that out a few times with some different papers here and just kind of paper piece them a little bit. Same for the rolling pin. And then I added some glue and some glitter on the top of the rolling pin and on the utensils to look like they've been used during cooking. So I used some ribbon. This is from, I think it's from Walmart. They probably still have it now. It's Offray brand, just to make it into, you know, something to hang. And then I did cut the charcuterie board out of some thick chipboard too, just to really stiffen this up. So it's a really nice, sturdy piece. I think it would be good as a gift tag, but I like it just as like decor. You know, you can hang it from something in your kitchen or craft room, something like that. So I love how this came out. I just wanted to show you a way that you could use those conversation hearts. I mean, there are so many different ways you can use them as embellishments, you can use them as tags, whatever you want. But yeah, I had to make a baking theme project, which you guys know I love to do. So that's my next project. And let's move on to the last one. Okay, this one I used the Tumbler mini album, which is currently out of stock, but it is available for pre-order. So I'm sure this is super popular, obviously. So if you would like it and you didn't order it yet, go ahead and put yourself on the list for pre-order. So I saw Natalie, who has put some bling on it. Hi, Natalie, if you're watching. She had made it into a little box. So I was inspired to do that as well. So let me show you the dies that I used first, and then I'll show you the project. Well, first of all, I used this stamp set, and this is available. Actually, it's out of stock right now. This is the Tumbler stamp set, I think it's called, Tumbler stamp set. So this one comes with stamps that say "Talk Crafty to Me." This might be wine, which is the one I used. Mom sippy cup. Hold on, let me overthink this. I love that. That should be my saying. Girls just want to have fun, and I run on caffeine and design paper. So these are really cute to add to your Tumbler projects, or to, you know, you can use them on other things too, of course. So there's that. And then this is the Tumbler mini album. So this is so cute. Looks like, you know, a Stanley cup or some other sort of drink tumbler that you have, you know, in real life. So it's fun to create one out of paper too. It comes with the handle piece, the layering piece, and then another layering piece that's stitched. It comes with embellishments, hearts, and stars. This sentiment that says "Crafty Girl" with the shadow, and these are layering pieces for the top, like lip part of your Tumbler mini album. So I used that as well. And then I used, these are called the box making strips. So it comes with all 4 of these box making strips, 2 shorter ones, 2 longer ones, and different widths. The one that I used this one, and I cut it out twice and then made my own bottom for the box. You could do something like that, or you can use just one long strip and just kind of, you know, bend it as needed onto your project. So I'll show you it in a second what I did. Okay, so this is my project, and I made it into a little box just like Natalie did. Thanks, Natalie. So yeah, I used the "This Might Be Wine" stamp, and I used some gold embossing powder and heat embossed that. And then these papers I used, these are from Gingham Garden or Gingham Gardens, I forget which one it is, from Crate Paper. Let me see here. I have the little Gingham Garden. I have the card making kit, so I used some of the ephemera from this. I got this at Joann's last year, I think. And then the papers I used were mostly from this paper pad, Gingham Garden. So yeah, so I did some paper piecing. The die set, the Tumbler mini album, does not come with a separate piece for the bottom here, but I just wanted to vary it a little bit. So I just, you know, kind of, well, I double cut it out of this paper and this paper, and then just cut a line across that, and then added some pink paper to add like a little border here. I cut that with the die as well. And then I used some pink basil paper for the base of the box. So I cut that out twice with the handle piece. So I have the front and the back. And then here's where I use the box making strips for the side of the box. I didn't want it to be this wide. I thought this width would be good. So that's what I did here. And then I'll show you the bottom in a second. I don't want to tip it over quite yet. So on the sides, I used some of the ephemera from that card making kit. On the back, I did another layering piece. This is ephemera from the card making kit as well. And yeah, it makes a really cute little box. Oh, one of my things came out. So this I had gotten on Temu a while ago. I just stuck that in there. This one of my crafty friends sent to me, so I thought this would be a really cute dangle for the little box that I made, since it's like a cute little pastel beverage, which I thought went well with the theme. And then I thought a good gift for this little gift box would be a straw topper, and my sister actually gave me this. So I put it on top of a pencil, because pencils are always welcome too, I think. Then I added some extra pencils and some paper straws. So let me take these out just to show you how much is you know, this box can hold, and that goes there. And then these are some little macaron gift boxes that I'd got from Temu too. And then I also added this huge roll of mint tape from scrapbook.com. This is 4-inch mint tape. So as you can see, it holds a lot in this box. So this is how I did the construction of the box. I cut out this box making strip twice, and then I cut out a little piece for the bottom, and I made it the width of the box strip, which is 2 inches. And then I figured out the width of my tumbler was, I think it was 1.5 inches. So I cut a little rectangle out 2 inches by 1.5 inches, then just glued the glue tabs of the strips to the bottom, and then just glued the little tabs onto the front and back of the box. And that's how I made this cute little box. So let me measure the front for you, and that is about 5 5/8. And then altogether it is about 3 3/4 inches from side to side. And then of course, if you want to make it a box, depending on how big the strip that you use is, this is a 2-inch box, so it's 2 inches deep. So it holds a lot, and I think it came out really, really cute. I love these stamps. I hope that Erica gets them back in stock for when, if you guys haven't picked them up, that you could get them. There's also a bundle that is sold out right now that has the tumbler mini album and the stamp set. So hopefully that comes back in stock as well once the stamp and dies do. So yeah, those are my projects for today. I hope you like them. Of course, I had a ball making them, like always. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you want me to show you how to make anything, let me know that too. And again, everything will be linked down below, as well as my referral link and my coupon code, which is Strawberry Cream, and that saves you 10% at scrapdivadesigns.com. So thanks again for watching, everyone. Please subscribe to my channel. I have more videos coming, of course, and I'd love to have you as a part of the Strawberry Cream family. All right, everybody, take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.